Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming your GPU model and operating system so you install the correct drivers. Once done, create a system restore point and back up any essential files in case you need to roll back. Next, download the newest driver package from the manufacturer and the Display Driver Uninstaller tool. You will use these to remove remnants. Make sure to close background apps and save work, because the next steps restart display services and may temporarily black screen the desktop. You now boot into safe mode to prevent driver files from locking. This reduces interference during removal. Once in safe mode, run Display Driver Uninstaller, choose your GPU vendor, and select Clean and Restart so the tool removes drivers, registry entries, and leftover files automatically. After the finishes and the system reboots, check Device Manager for unknown display adapters. This confirms the old driver is gone. If you see any residual display adapter entries, rerun the or remove those entries manually. You install the new driver now, choosing the custom or clean install option when available so old settings don't carry over. After installation, reboot and open the GPU control panel to verify the driver version and basic settings like resolution and refresh rate. Run a short graphics test or benchmark to ensure stability. If problems appear, make sure to roll back via Device Manager or boot safe mode and restore the system point you created. This restores a working state without further damage.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.